I come 4 days in 1 week. I come 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday. I think Kung Fu is how good for my body because I practice every day. I have a strong body.
I come to practice Shaolin Kung Fu every Saturday and Sunday. Well, when I first started, it was actually my parents who gave me the idea. Like, I was a bit scared of Shaolin Kung Fu at first, but then I started to become like more, I want to go and I want to become stronger. That's why I enjoy this. I feel a bit more faster, flexible, and strong. I would use it to defend myself, or I would use it in my daily life skills or show it to my friends. Maybe if more people came here, they would understand how helpful Kung Fu is for the human body.
我们少林寺想在文化交流分享上做一份力量，然后所以来柬埔寨设立少林寺文化中心。然后弘扬，也希望在首都金边能有更多的人能了解少林文化，能了解中国传统文化，能了解少林功夫。